Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable the disappearing messages in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, go ahead and download and install it from the Play Store. Click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner now. After you click on it, what you need to do is click on Privacy, which is right under Notifications. Then what you need to do is scroll a little bit down and you can see the disappearing messages option. If you want to turn it on, you can do it. So you can go ahead and click on the default timer for new chats option, and it is currently turned off. When enabled, the messages sent and received in new chat started by you will disappear after they have been seen. So you can see the time limit of the disappearing message. You can go ahead and select it, or you can build your custom time as well. So some of the options are 4 weeks, 1 week, a day, 8 hours, an hour, 5 minutes or 30 seconds. Go ahead and click on the time you want and click save, and you can see the disappearing message. So you can set a disappearing message timer for all chats started by you. So you can go ahead and go to the chat option, you can write something and you can click on the send, and you can see the pick date and time. If you go ahead and send this, you can see that this is a disappearing message. So this will disappear after 30 seconds as we have set. You can change it anytime. Go to your profile, go to privacy, and you can see the disappearing message. You can turn it off and click save whenever you want. This is how you can enable or disable the disappearing messages in Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.